Hello YouTubers, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you something different for a change. It's something to do with the musical instrument side, and it's actually one of my hobbies and day job and income. Yeah. So I just acquired this Boss PSM-5. It's a power supply and master switch. It's as written there. Don't worry, it's over 5 years now. It's over warranty, and I think I was told it's working fine. And I didn't know that this unit came in two pieces. You see, because from what I saw on sale online, people just sell the power supply itself, and then you can sometimes see the adapter is sold as an accessory. In fact, I can say this is an accessory from Boss back in the day, where they offer this to make guitarists life easy by having a proper or proprietary power supply well suited for their other products, which is those other Boss pedals. Yeah, it's quite nice to have something as specifically designed for the purpose, and furthermore it's from the company or the brand that you bought it from. Yeah. So let's unbox this. The box is quite beat up. I don't mind. I'm not fuzzy about this kind of thing. And yeah, so it came in these two pieces. So I thought if you were to buy this, they would in back in the day they will give you this. Let me adjust the color so that it's realistic. I thought you just get this, and this you have to buy separately, but now only I know, after years later, that I know it used to came like this in a package. So it makes sense actually, because if you only have this, you won't be able to power up your pedal unless you have an adapter. So it's doesn't make sense to have this alone and to have just one function as a power supply. So Boss decided to put some features on it, such as this send return, to make it more value for the money. A bit of history that I can gather from online. The Boss power supply PSM-5 was introduced in 1983, and in 1991 production moved to Taiwan, and it was the last PSM-3 came out from the assembly in 1999. So if I were to judge this, if this was the last unit to came out from the factory, this could be 20 years old. So quite good for a 20-year-old 20-year-old pedal, power supply, power switch, or whatever master switch you may call it. Yeah. And it can power up to 7 pedals. Boss, of course. I'm not sure about others. What do I get in the box? It's just a box and a adapter, and there's no manual actually. I've looked inside of it earlier on, and let's take a look at the hardware itself. So yeah, the after the discontinuation, after this thing was discontinued, you still have a chance to buy something that does a similar job, which is the LS2 line selector from Boss, and NS2. But I didn't gather any information about that, whether they are still available today. I think NS2 or noise suppressor is still available for purchase. I think that is a more practical thing to buy, because other than powering up your pedal, it serves also as a noise suppressor thing. So it helps in terms of tone. This one, the second function of it is just a master switch, and does help, yeah, in some way or another, if you find that very convenient. And the adapter is let me just show you. Where's my camera? On the right now. Okay, yeah. Adapter is you will see let me try to adjust my camera. The adapter, you will see some I think it's been made by a lot of contractor of this company, and You may see some variation of color of I think this is the company that makes this adapter especially for Boss or for their requires. So what I like about this adapter is what I like from this adapter is the information is very detailed, and the secondary milliamps is 200 milliamps. So it's very safe. It's very sufficient. Uh, if you use more than 7 or 800 milliamps nowadays, you're gonna risk blowing or heating up, or magic smoke is gonna come out from your pedal. Yeah, already 5 minutes, so fast. Okay, all right. So it appears to be it has been repaired because this is not default or standard from the factory. But I don't mind that, because the other thing I like about this adapter is you can disassemble or unscrew the thing. I have another one of this. Not sure whether you should use small screwdriver, I think. Let's open up this thing and see. Okay. Appears it has been glued or whatever. So maybe somebody forgot to take out the screw. I'm not sure whether it uses a special kind of screw. But anyway, if it's good, then it's good. I will find a way to open this thing. Because nowadays, most of the adapter are sealed. So you can't do anything if the thing blows. So I'm hoping to to see a couple of screw here that holding the. Yeah. I didn't check it last night when I picked up the thing. But no worries. If it's good, then it's good. At least I have a spare. And this is the main unit itself. It's not the made in Japan one. Let me try to eliminate the glare so that you can at least see the very hard to see. Okay, so that's the serial number. Those who are knowledgeable about Boss will know when this was made. I don't mind it's made in Taiwan. Taiwan and Koreans are actually quite good. They make good stuff, and they are very disciplined, quality nuts. Yeah, and let's let's adjust it so that it can display the natural red color of the pedal itself. So it has a sand return. I'm not gonna explain to you where this goes, where to put it on your guitar, because I don't have any more pedals to Boss pedal to demonstrate it with, because it needs a pedal for it for it to work. Yeah, and this is gonna be just one thing interesting is this adapter socket. So if one of these blows, I don't know where you could find this. I know the brand, but it's very hard to find. Yeah, and screw seems I don't know whether it's replaced here or not. Let's open up the unit and take a look inside. Probably consists of several op amps and those kind of design in such a way that it would distribute power, and also whether there's any surprises in there. Looks very clean. Looks very clean actually. So yeah, never been open or open just to see inside, those kind of thing. And let me adjust the sharpness. Yes, looks untouched, unsoldered by anyone. Yeah, let's try to have a deeper look inside here. Yeah, let's brighten up the camera for this reason. Yeah, so I'm suspecting this is the early the early batch that moved to Taiwan, because the power supply plug itself is what you've seen in old made in Japan pedal. So yeah, that is the op-amp itself doing the op-amp job. The inside looks very clean, well taken care of. Yeah, and there's not much to say or to tell about this kind of power supply. I can't even demo it because it doesn't emit sound. It's not a fuzz or distortion. It's just a switch, and perhaps I can try something. Plug in the power and one of the inputs just to see the LED changes as a sign of it's still operating as it should be. Try to find a turn on my power supply. And borrow this forgive me, I didn't prepare for this because I just thought I wanna have a go and look at the transformer inside, but it seems it's sealed and have been meddled with in the past. So I think this goes here, or this goes here. Guitar goes here and then goes to the amp, and then let's this is 9 volt in. No power. Not sure what's going on. Power is on. Okay. Ah, I see. Okay, could be yeah. Let's use that from my camera. Green and red looks the same. So let me attempt to yeah, I think this is more or less in working condition. So I'm gonna stop here. It's already 13 minutes. People don't watch long videos. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If there's anything I should report about this complete unit, I will do so. If not, then have a nice day and bye bye.